and today's topic is similar triangles. So just we'll revise the few things and we'll see the ratios of the corresponding sides of similar triangles. So we'll start with the revision. So first question is, in how many ways you are able to write the correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. Suppose there are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So in 6 ways you can write the correspondence. In how many ways? 6 ways. So I will show you which are that ways. See, first of all, we will keep the triangle ABC corresponding to triangle, sorry, we should not write triangle, just correspondence लिहिताना तुम्हाला triangleचं नाव फक्त त्याचे vertices लिहायचे PQR. Okay, so first one is clear. Then what will we do? See, ABC same लिहायचं आहे and the corresponding to P remain as it is and QR मध्ये बदल करा, it will be RQ. So this is first two correspondence. नंतर पुढचे कसे लिहूया? ABC correspondence to, now take Q as the first vertices. So Q, then which are the other vertices? RP. Then I will write ABC is same corresponding to Q as it is and RP la kara PR. So like that 1, 2, 3 and 4 types. Then next one is, I will write like that. See, ABC. Now just first take the R vertices, R पहिला घ्या, R, then P, Q and ABC is to, R is first one, PQ ला बदला, then it is QP. So how many ways to write the correspondence? There are 6 ways. Okay, so this is the answer for first question. So remember one thing, this is revision and you should recall all these things which are related to similar triangles. We'll see the next question. Question 2 is, see, GST correspondence KLM. By the given correspondence, write the pairs of corresponding sides and corresponding angles. हा जो correspondence दिला आहे यानुसार आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत corresponding sides and corresponding angles ची नाव. So I am writing first corresponding sides. See, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे side GS. So I have to take the first 2 letters. Yes, corresponding side KL. Okay, then side ST, see this one, and LM, side ST and side LM. Then next GT and KM. This one is the third, side GT and side KM. So these are the corresponding side. Now I will write corresponding angles. These are very simple. Angle G, first angle K, angle G and angle K, then angle S and angle L, angle S and angle L, then last one is angle T and angle M. So these are corresponding sides and these are the corresponding angles. So we'll see the next point, that is definition of similar triangles. See, what is that? Similar triangles ची definition आपल्याला learn करायची आहे किंवा बघायचं आहे. See, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportion, then that triangles are called similar triangles. Simple आहे. If these are the two triangles and the corresponding angles, see A, P, B, Q, C, angle R, are congruent and the sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides कुठल्या? AB, PQ, BC, QR and side AC is to side PR. So these sides are in equal proportion, then these two triangles are called similar triangles. Okay, so definition learn करण्याची गोष्ट नसते, समजून घेण्याची गोष्ट असते. समजून घ्या. Let's see once again. If the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in proportion, yes, then that triangles are called similar triangles. Not necessary they are congruent triangles. Congruent sides. हे जे sides आहेत त्या congruent असायलाच पाहिजे असं नाही. Their ratio must be equal. Remember this thing. Now the same thing is written over here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. या दोन triangle मध्ये if जर angle A congruent angle P, yes, angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, these are the two angles, and angle C congruent angle R, angle C congruent angle R, and also AB upon PQ, that is the ratio PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So corresponding sides are in proportion, therefore it is written. Then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If this is there, means angles are congruent and the sides are in proportion, then we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Similar असण्यासाठी या कंडिशन पुरेसे असतात. म्हणजे angles congruent असले तर हे दोन triangles similar असतातच. Okay, remember, and if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Remember this line. If the triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Okay, next is we'll see the solve example. Okay, एक solve केलेलं example आहे जे आपण इथे सोडून तुम्हाला देणार आहे. Decide whether the given triangles are similar. Okay, if the triangles are similar, write their correspondence. See, हे दोन triangles दिलेले आहेत तुम्हाला आणि तुम्हाला चेक करायचं आहे these triangles are similar or not. Okay, so first of all we'll see the triangle DEF and GHI मध्ये आपल्याला कोणते angles congruent identical marks ने दिलेले आहेत. So first of all we'll say that, see, first one is in triangle DEF and GHI मध्ये तुम्ही माझ्या मदतीने तुम्ही पण सर्च करू शकता angle D congruent with angle G because these are the identical marks. So I am writing in triangle DEF and GHI angle D congruent angle, yes, G. Also this angle E, yes, is congruent with angle 90 degrees हा बघा H, and then angle F congruent angle I. Is it clear? Because the identical marks are given, है ना? So these angles are congruent. Okay, so this statement, all these angles are congruent, we call it as first statement. अच्छा, याला first statement बोलिए आप. And then now let us see the measurements are given of the corresponding side. Suppose we take the ratio of DE and GH. That means I will start with this. See here, DE upon GH is equal to, so what is the measurement of DE? It is 9 and upon GH is 6. So I am writing that. If we divide it by 3, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So it is 3 by 2. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this is first one. Then second, I will take EF. See this, EF upon HI. So मैं लिखो दे EF upon HI. Now again I have to write the measurements. What is that? 12 upon 8. So 12 upon 8. So it is equal to, again you should divide it by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So I got 3 by 2 again. And the last is this hypotenuse DF upon GI. So third one is DF upon GI. Okay, so we'll check the ratio now. 15 upon 10. So 15 upon 10. So we should divide it by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Now all the ratios are equal. Okay. So this is your second statement. So I should write this is a second statement. Now from 1 and 2 we got this statement number 1 मध्ये आम्हाला समजलं की all corresponding angles are congruent, and all in the second statement I got that all corresponding sides are in equal proportion, or we can say in proportion. So therefore from 1 and 2, what is our conclusion? Triangle, yes, triangle DEF is similar. This is the sign for similar, GHI. Is it clear? And then the next is, if they are similar, then write the correspondence. त्यांचा correspondence तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. So I will write that. Just write the correspondence. काय correspondence लिहिणार? Yes, correspondence is same. DEF similar, corresponding to GHI. This is the correspondence. कसा लिहितात हा? अँगलच्या कॉन्ग्रुएन्सीचा विचार करा. अँगल D congruent angle G. Yes, is it correct? Angle E congruent angle H. Second E आहे, इथे H आहे. F and I. So just you have to match the vertices, and this is called one-to-one correspondence. So next आपल्याला याच्यावर अजून एक solve example त्यांनी सोडून दिलेलं आहे, but we are going to solve that. So that is, see here, I will show you. This is again solved example. In triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PMN. Okay, very good. And then if AB is 6, BC is 10, yes, AC is 8 and MN is 4, then find PM and PN. Now this PM and PN are the sides of this second triangle, and all the sides of first triangle are given. And one more thing, these two triangles are similar. That is very important. And when the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal proportion. So we'll start our solution with that thing only. See what is given. We'll start with this line. What is given? Triangle ABC. Yes, simple. ABC is similar to the triangle PMN. Okay. Therefore we can write the corresponding sides in equal proportion. So I am writing the corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding AB upon, yes, PM is equal to PC upon MN. Is it clear? And then third, AC upon PN. So AC upon PN. We can write the reason: corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, this is the short form actually. Corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. So now we know the values of AB, BC and AC, and one more thing, that is MN. एवढ्यांच्या values आपण substitute करूया. Just substituting the values of this. See, I am writing the values now. AB is 6, so I am writing here 6. PM ची value we have to find out, so I am writing here PM is equal to BC. BC is 10 and MN is given. Okay, MN is given. Yes, it is 4, so I am writing here 4. AC is 8 and upon PN. So now we are going to find out the PM from the first